I'm Paul Joseph. I'm an attorney and have been for over 28 years. I'm also a CPA. When I started practice, it was a sole practice. It was just me. Along the way, over the last 28 years, we have grown at Joseph and Associates to 10 employees. In addition to that, I also own Joseph and Joseph Tax and Payroll. My wife and I also own a small restaurant in Williamston called Gracie's Place. It currently employs 6 people. In approximately 30 days, we're going to expand that payroll to over 20 people. Along the way, I've learned a great deal about business. And with that learning, I've also come to understand that everything must show a profit. At this point, the current district court is operating at a deficit. Through the month of May, they've lost approximately $10,000 per month. In other words, their expenditures exceed their revenues, and by the end of the year, it's estimated that they will operate at a deficit of $120,000. As part of my business background, I can fix that deficit. I have a 3-point plan that I can put in place immediately. Number 1, I can collect the outstanding fines and costs that are currently owed to the district court in a more aggressive manner. Number 2, they currently have a domestic assault court, and they also have a sobriety court. As part of that, I can do an evaluation to determine whether or not the mandatory counseling that is outsourced can be brought into the district court to generate revenues to alleviate that deficit. And number 3, I would do an evaluation of all of the surrounding counties and their district courts to determine whether the fines and costs assessed against the individuals who have broken the law are consistent in this area. I do not believe that they are. By increasing those fines and costs and the other things that I've already mentioned, I believe we can alleviate that deficit. Thank you.